Pune may soon face alternate day water supply due to the fears of a water shortage. But experts are raising a crucial question when nearly 40% of city's water is already being lost through leakages, theft and misuse. Should citizens be the first to face the restrictions? Let's try to understand what exactly happened over there. As we know, Pune may soon face alternate day water supply as concerns over the water availability grow due to the prediction of below average rainfall this year. However, experts and citizens are questioning whether cutting water supply to households should be the first solution when massive amounts of water continue to be wasted across the city. According to the Pune Municipal Corporation, around 5.5 TMC of water stock is currently available in the Khadakwasla dam system, which supplies water to Pune. Civic officials fear that this stock may not be sufficient to meet the city's needs until the end of July if rainfall remains below normal. As a precautionary measure, the PMC has started considering alternative day water supply, claiming that such a move could save nearly 25% of water. However, city engineer Aniruddha Paveskar has clarified that no final decision has been taken regarding water cuts. He stated that PMC is continuously implementing measures to reduce leakage and any future decision will be taken to ensure minimum hardship to the citizens. Experts, however, argue that the civic administration should first fix the serious flaws within its own water distribution system. One of the biggest concerns is that the illicit use of drinking water at the construction site. Despite regulations requiring builders to use treated water from the sewage treatment plants, the demand for the treated water remains unusually low. Rising concerns, the potable water may still be used illegally at construction sites across the city. Urban planners have demanded a special audit of construction sites and strict action against the violators, including penalties and disconnection of water connections. Another major source of wastage is the vehicle washing. Thousands of liters of drinking water are reportedly being used daily at commercial car washing centers. Experts are urging the authorities to make recycled water compulsory for such businesses and impose strict penalties for violations. The issue of illegal water connection has also emerged as a major challenge. Unauthorized taps, water theft and aging pipelines continue to increase water losses across the city. Experts say modern technology, smart metering, zone-based monitoring and regular pipeline audits are urgently needed to identify and stop these losses. Leakages remain one of the biggest concerns. Surveys indicate that nearly 40% of Pune's water is lost due to the leaks and wastage. Public taps, toilets, municipal properties, old pipelines and infrastructure continue to waste thousands of liters water every day. Experts believe that repairing leakages and controlling misuse could save millions of liters daily, enough to meet the needs of several areas without imposing harsh restrictions on the citizens. Pune currently receives water from Khadakwasla, Panshet and other dams. While the city is officially authorized to use 14.61 TMC of water annually, actually demand has already crossed 16 to 17 TMC due to the rapid urbanization, growing construction activity, industrial expansion and the addition of 34 newly emerged villages. Experts insist before seeking additional water allocations or imposing water cuts, the PMC must first strengthening the water management, stop leakages, eliminate illegal consumption and prevent wastage within its own system. The debate now continues. Should Pune residents prepare for water cuts or should authorities first repair the leaks that are draining away millions of liters of water every single day? With camera person Ajay, I am Harjit Kaur from Pune Times Mirror, Pune.